Airliners don't use chemical refrigerants to cool the cabin. They use an air cycle machine. To pressurize the cabin at altitude, the aircraft steals air directly from the engines, and that air comes out at a scorching 450 degrees Celsius. Let's track a single blast of this superheated air as it enters the aircraft's belly. First, outside ram air is scooped in to blow across the hot air, stripping away extreme heat. But to condition it properly, this air must be tightly squeezed through a compressor. This skyrockets the pressure, but causes the air to instantly heat right back up. So it hits a second heat exchanger, where another blast of outside air cools it down while keeping pressure high. Now comes the actual refrigeration effect, the expansion turbine. The air rushes in and is allowed to expand rapidly, forcing the temperature to plummet. Because the air is freezing, moisture condenses. A separator spins out the water so it doesn't snow inside. Finally, this ice-cold air mixes with recirculated cabin air and flows upward. It's a continuous, self-contained mechanical chain of heat exchange, compression, and rapid expansion happening beneath the floor. And that scorching engine exhaust is exactly what blows out of the vent above your seat as a refreshing breeze.